We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Simtem Rechargeable Unisex Beanie Hat with Light. If you have this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Simtem Rechargeable Unisex Beanie Hat with Light is a product that has quickly become a favorite among users seeking both practicality and comfort in their daily routines. Designed to serve as a hands-free lighting solution while doubling as a warm winter accessory, this beanie has been praised for its versatility, thoughtful features, and gift-worthiness. It is marketed as a cool gadget for women, birthday gifts for men, and a general-purpose gift for anyone who could benefit from a little extra light and warmth. The product's unisex design, rechargeable LED light, and comfortable fit have made it a popular choice for a wide range of activities, from outdoor adventures to everyday chores. One of the most frequently mentioned advantages of the Simtem Beanie Hat is its built-in rechargeable LED light. Users consistently highlight how useful the light is for nighttime activities, such as walking the dog, jogging, or working outdoors. The hands-free aspect is particularly appreciated by those who need both hands free, such as dog walkers, joggers, and individuals with mobility aids. For example, one user who uses a wheelchair noted that the beanie allowed them to navigate at night without having to juggle a flashlight, making their nightly routines much safer and more convenient. The brightness of the light is often described as impressive, with several reviewers noting that it provides more than enough illumination for most tasks, from navigating dark streets to finding items in poorly lit areas. The beanie's warmth and comfort are also recurring themes in user feedback. Many reviewers mention that the hat keeps their head warm during cold weather, making it a practical accessory for winter months. The material is generally described as soft and comfortable, with a fit that accommodates a variety of head sizes. The unisex design ensures that it appeals to a broad audience, making it a popular gift choice for both men and women. Several users reported purchasing multiple beanies as gifts for family members, friends, and significant others, especially during the holiday season. The beanie's stylish appearance is another plus, with some reviewers noting that it looks good on the wearer and can be worn casually without drawing unwanted attention. Another standout feature is the beanie's rechargeable battery. Users appreciate not having to constantly replace disposable batteries, which adds to the product's convenience and eco-friendliness. Charging is typically described as straightforward, with most users reporting that the battery lasts long enough for several uses before needing a recharge. This makes the beanie suitable for extended outdoor activities, such as camping, hiking, or late-night work sessions. Some reviewers also mention that the beanie can be washed without damaging the light, provided the light module is removed beforehand, which adds to its practicality and ease of maintenance. In addition to its primary features, the Simtem Beanie Hat has received positive feedback for its value for money. Many users feel that the combination of warmth, lighting, and rechargeable convenience makes it a worthwhile purchase, especially given its affordable price point. The beanie's ranking as #1, 557 in men's scullies and beanies, and its strong customer review average of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 143 ratings further attest to its popularity and user satisfaction. Despite its many strengths, the beanie is not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported that the quality of the built-in speakers, if present, is not on par with dedicated audio devices. While the speakers are sufficient for listening to music or news during activities like jogging, they may not provide the best audio experience for audiophiles or those seeking high-fidelity sound. Additionally, a few reviewers noted that the speakers can be uncomfortable when lying on one side, such as when resting against a plane window or working under a car. This makes the beanie less suitable for situations where the head is pressed against a hard surface for extended periods. Another concern raised by some users is the durability of the light module. While many users have had no issues, a few have experienced the light becoming loose or falling out after several months of use. This appears to be a common issue with similar beanie designs, and it remains to be seen whether the Simtem model will hold up better over time. However, the majority of reviewers have not reported this problem, and the overall build quality is generally regarded as good. The beanie's washing instructions are another point of consideration. While it is machine washable, users must remember to remove the light module before washing to avoid damage. This extra step can be inconvenient for some, but it is a small trade-off for the ability to keep the beanie clean and fresh after regular use. In terms of usability, the beanie is praised for its straightforward operation. The light is easy to turn on and off, and the rechargeable battery simplifies maintenance. The beanie is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in a bag or pocket when not in use. Its versatility extends to a wide range of activities, including walking, jogging, camping, fishing, working on cars, or simply navigating dark spaces at home. The beanie is also seen as a thoughtful and practical gift, with many reviewers expressing satisfaction with how much their recipients enjoyed receiving it. From a performance perspective, the beanie delivers on its promises. The LED light provides ample illumination for most nighttime tasks, and the rechargeable battery ensures that users are not left in the dark unexpectedly. The warmth and comfort of the beanie make it suitable for extended wear, and its stylish design ensures that users can wear it confidently in a variety of settings. The value for money is another strong point, with many users feeling that they received a high-quality product at a reasonable price. However, it is important to note that the beanie is not intended to replace high-end audio devices or heavy-duty work lights. Its primary function is to provide hands-free lighting and warmth, and it excels in these areas. The speakers, if present, are a nice bonus for casual listening, but may not satisfy those with higher audio expectations. The potential for the light module to become loose over time is a concern, but this appears to be a relatively rare issue based on the available reviews. Overall, the Simtem Rechargeable Unisex Beanie Hat with Light is a well-designed and practical accessory that meets the needs of a wide range of users. Its combination of warmth, hands-free lighting, and rechargeable convenience make it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts, commuters, dog walkers, and anyone who could benefit from a little extra light during their daily routines. The beanie's unisex design, comfortable fit, and stylish appearance add to its appeal, making it a popular gift choice for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. If you are looking for a versatile, affordable, and user-friendly gadget that can make your life easier and more comfortable, the Simtem Rechargeable Unisex Beanie Hat with Light is definitely worth considering. Its strong user reviews, practical features, and overall value make it a standout product in its category. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more or to purchase the beanie, and if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.